Hi, this is All Things Property with me, Zamanto Kumalo. Here are 3 tips for first-time landlords. You've excitedly bought your first rental property, but managing it could be difficult as a first-time landlord. So here are some of the things that you should consider as a landlord. The first thing to decide is whether you're going to manage the property yourself or hire a letting agent. Secondly, do you want a short or a long-term rental? Do you want your place to be furnished or unfurnished? These are some of the decisions you're going to have to make before you rent it out. And lastly, do you know what the legalities of being a landlord are? Make sure you understand what your rights and responsibilities are as a landlord before you get your first tenant. For more tips and advice on all things property, visit our blog on www.builders.co.za.